These brand new, don't step on my balances. I'ma hit that if she let me. They don't like how I talk that. Yeah. Flooded out my wrist, a puddle dripping. 42, I'm steady sipping. Yeah, I'm on and I'm off.
Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Sin, or you could call me Aiyanyi. Welcome to my channel. And today's tutorial is brought to you by Afsisterwig. I guess that's how you pronounce it. They sent me a 613 wig in a 12-inch full lace unit, and it came with two different types of stocking caps, a beige and a black, and they also included a elastic band and extra comb. So this is the wig right here. This lace is a light brown lace. It comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. This wig is a full lace wig. As you can see, it is pre-plucked, and the knots on here are single knotted, which means that it's less detected when you're wearing it, so that is always a good thing. So the colors that I'm going to be using today are from Wella Color charm. These are their permanent colors in 8NG. 8NG is for the roots, and the other color, the 10N, is for the shaft of the hair. I wanted to keep it neutral in the blonde family. One blonde is more of a sandy blonde, and another one is more of a dirty blonde, if that makes sense. But they're both neutral. One is just darker, a couple of shades darker than the other, and it will just give the wig some like shadow roots. So the wig was divided into 3 sections so it could be easier for me to color. This is what the actual color of the Wella Color charm permanent color looks like. It's like the consistency of jelly. It's really strong. So if you are going to use this particular product, I would advise you to have open windows, a fan on, doors open, the whole shebang, because this is strong. Like I tell you, girl, it cinched off my nose hair, and I was like, oh. Yes, it's strong. So all I'm going to do is apply the shaft color, the sandy brown, and you're going to see the wig actually start turning colors. It's going to turn into a sandy looking beige. I'm sorry, I said brown, but it's going to turn into a sandy looking beige, and it's going to be really dope. I was actually really nervous to use a 30 volume developer with this. The instructions does say use a 30 volume developer with a permanent color, but this was already a 613 wig, and I did not want to over process it. But I followed the instructions. I mixed the 30 volume developer with the color. So basically there's 2 ounces of color, and you need to mix 2 ounces to 4 ounces of developer. So it's a 2 to 1 ratio, and you want to mix that all together. And as you can see, there's a big demarcation in the color. So the back of it is real sandy brown compared to the banana yellow in the front. And right here, I'm just applying the roots. I'm not doing it any specific way. I'm just being lazy because I was hella lazy that day. I'm only adding the roots until like maybe an inch and a half of their hairline. And then I just smudged it in, and then from that point on, I would put the shaft color, that sandy blonde, into the rest of the hair so it could blend in with everything else, and then I will let it process for about another 15-20 minutes, and then I will wash it out. I do want to apologize for the view or the angle of this clip right here, and I'm standing in the way. It did not dawn on me that I was in the way of the camera, but yeah, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now the wig is washed and shampooed and conditioned, and this is what the color turned out looking like. It's no more banana yellow. It does have shadow roots. The roots look actually dirty, and I actually like that. Like, it just looks like my hair is growing out. That's exactly how it looks. And so this is how it looks after it's been blow dried and styled and flat ironed. yeah, it still has body to it. It still has movement to it. It's not over processed. I feel like this hair is definitely still soft, and this is what the turnout look like. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I am going to come through with a review right after this video, so I'll give you guys my actual thoughts on the wig. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll be back with another video. Bye, best friends.